सो पहाड़ों के बीच में मैं खा रही हूँ इडली सांबर सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में, एंड थैंक्स टू देसी मील्स टू गिव मी दिस पैकेज ऑफ देयर एडवेंचर किट. उसका मैंने पूरा का पूरा डिटेल्स बना दिया, गेट टू नो. I'm Sameera Dahiya, or today I'm here with a kit which is an adventure kit by Desi Meals. So food is the one thing which we all want, and with irrespect of हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या खाएंगे, हर टाइम हमारे दिमाग में रहता है क्या खाएंगे. लेकिन अगर हमारे पास कुछ ऐसा है जो कि हमें सिर्फ एक पैकेट में है होममेड रेसिपी का, उसको सिर्फ खोलना है, गर्म पानी में डालना है, 7 minutes our food is ready. So and this is basically for all the travelers, tourers, riders who good pre-made food, right? एक राइडर के लिए जितना फ्यूल ज़रूरी है उसके बाइक में, उतना ही ज़्यादा खाना ज़रूरी है उसके पेट में. सो यू आर मोर एनर्जाइज्ड, यू कैन एंजॉय मोर, यू कैन सोक इन मोर. तो लेट्स बिगिन विद द किट. आई एम गोना ओपन द एडवेंचर किट. सो सबसे पहली चीज़ है स्टोव. स्टोव में लेट मी शो यू, इट्स वन ऑफ द क्यूटेस्ट थिंग आई एवर सीन. लुक एट दिस. ओके, सो इट कम्स विथ 4 legs. सो आप कहीं पे उसको भी easily प्लेस कर सकते हो. एंड दे हैव वेंट्स ऑल्सो. यू कैन, इफ यू हैव अ बिगर, यू नो, समथिंग विच a bigger vessel or something you want to keep, so you can open it and you can keep it a big vessel like this on it. Okay. Second thing is, the most important thing is the gas. So this is the stove. We have to place this gas cylinder, small one, up here, and we will start this. So हम अभी करके दिखाते हैं. This is the gas. Then there is a small and very portable and usable fork and spoon with a small sort of a Swiss knife tool in this, and you can also separate these two and use it. So I love this concept, very very good. And it's light first and foremost. हमें travel के time पे we should not carry anything which add weight in the luggage. So this is very useful, and we can use it in our normal days as well. So that way we can avoid eating through plastic spoons and stuff. So no plastic. Then we get some plate for if you have that much of time to really eat. So in this kit you will gonna get 16 packets of these pre-made food. इनका net जो weight है वो 100 grams है. So when you are carrying, this is the best thing because it's light and it will not take much. But अगर आप कार में जा रहे हो, you have a big backup or something with you, then you can have this box ones, because there is just 70 grams, but in this you can see there is a mark with every box. What I like the most about their products is कि जैसे ये वाला food जो है उसमें आपको you just need to put 140 ml of plain water, but this one needs 250 ml. So they have given the mark here, so it makes it so easy. Their instruction is absolutely easy. Any small kid also can make this and eat it when mama papa is not around. So this is good for the home, for the kids also. So this is the idli sambar one. So we're gonna try this and the kesari bhat, because हम लोग सुबह सुबह में यही खाते हैं. और साउथ इंडिया में रहते हुए मुझे 11 साल हो गए, and I think I'm very fond of the food up there. I'm not a foodie, but I'm really fond of these things. And then in the kit you will get few things like small packages, like which is not their home package, but this is more of to adding on, like a wet tissue, like you don't have to go and run around for water. They also give one mug, steel mug, to boil the water, because all the products needs just hot water. Okay, but today as if हम एक trip में हैं जहाँ पे मैं भूल गई, so I'm gonna use this big thing. These things are rescue for the people who have who can't cook and at the same time who have, while traveling, they get a food sickness, home food sickness. So that is also, क्योंकि पहाड़ों में हम हमेशा एक बहुत ही specific type का food मिलता है हमें. But I really enjoyed doing this, and I am very happy. And this is one thing I would like to tell everyone, that always give it a shot and try to things which are made from lot of love. So this product is made out of lot of love from my friend and her mother, and I think this is helping, or it's gonna help all the travelers like me and the rest of women who joined me on this all-women Leh Ladakh trip. So thank you so much, Nikita and your brand Desi Meals, for giving us this. And I think our whole team, in fact our K2K team also, so our traveler and supporting, just loved it. और वो अभी भी चुरा के पैकेट खा रहे हैं. So thank you so much, and I wish all the very luck for your venture. See you in Bangalore. Signing off.